In today's tutorial, I will show you how you can earn $900 with ChatGPT. To start, we enter Google News, especially select the technology section, because articles in this category are popular right now, especially articles related to artificial intelligence and emerging technologies around the world. Scroll through technology news and select articles that catch your attention. You might find one discussion, new phones, or a recent update. Click on the selected articles to open now. The strategy is to use AI used rewriting of the article's smaller parts, paragraphs at a time, ensuring you don't overwhelm the AI with too much content. Right click to copy text, then continue catching. Let's go to ChatGPT. After logging in by asking if he can write an article in the format, phrase the given article in your own words, and then place the article in the space provided and click Go. AI will create a fully rewritten version of the article and ensure that it is copyright free and free to use. Repeat this process. The whole article is recommended, taking into account the maximum character limit in ChatGPT. After you get the rewritten content, enter 3 and 4 paragraphs at a time. You can easily save it in Google document or a Word document on your computer. Copy and paste your own AI generated comprehensive article that is both unique and attention grabbing. Before continuing with the video, be sure to subscribe us and press the bell button to stay informed about our tutorials. Now, our next step involves submitting articles to platforms that compensate for such contribution. Let's take a look at the national platform process. The American Scholar.org. It is a remarkable news outlet that covers a variety of topics such as technology, history, and various other topics that are rich on its website. After scrolling down, you will find the decided section for submissions. By clicking on it, you will be presented with the submission tab. You will be taken to a page where they specify a reward of between $250 and $500 for accept pieces. Obviously, this website is willing to pay up to $500 for an articles that meets their criteria. It's worth noting that if the initial submissions you are not accepted, this is an opportunity to submit. The simplified submissions process is made easy with a clearly marked submit button. It is imperative that you follow the instructions for submission. A potential bonus of $500 for a well-received article is a creative opportunity if identified. Promising topic, you can easily write an article and then use ChatGPT to refine and improve it before submitting. There is always the option to explore alternative platforms. One such option is the Outdoors.org app or platform. If the previous platform didn't meet your expectations, consider redirecting your outreach efforts to this platform. Simply scroll down and access the proficient section where you will find the dedicated space for submitting articles that cover a wide range of outdoor topics from travel to campaign and beyond are welcome by submitting an article to Google News using ChatGPT to improve it and send it to the outdoors you open up. Another thing to keep in mind for potential success is that this is just one of many sites out there that offer you a variety of opportunities to showcase your content. The next platform is seekingalpha.com. The most profitable is especially discussions around different stock selection and various investment strategy. Especially since this platform has been a sufficient influx of content with 7,000 articles per month in terms of reward, it's very important to emphasize that the article exceptionally they can have higher payment in the range of $2,000 to $5,000 depending on their quality and attractiveness. To capitalize on this strategy opportunity, the strategy includes stock sourced and scientific investment article from Google News. Following this ChatGPT lever is to format and modify the content. A potential concern is the existence of a proactive approach available if the initial effort does not yield the desired result. Multiple submissions are encouraged and Alpha Search welcomes other mission. In addition, seeking feedback from the platform can provide valuable insight into the topic, adjust to better align with platform preference. So, whether the initial effort is successful or not, Alpha Search is a dynamic opportunity for continued engagement and potentially financial reward through multiple submissions and responsive adoption to platform preference. This is our second site, exploring different ways to publish content and get compensation.